part 1 of MLA formatting with Miss Knight. Today I'm just going to walk you through some of the basics of MLA formatting. This particular sample document came from the Purdue OWL website, and this is their annotated MLA formatting sample. It's called annotated because there are notations all over this paper. That would be an important word for you guys to learn. So the first thing I want to talk about is font size, font spacing, and margins. If you look at this paper at just the writing section, like just the writing of the author of the paper, the heading over here in the left-hand corner, the page number up here in the right-hand corner, the title, and the body of the text are all written in 12-point font. It is all double-spaced, and it is all 1-inch margins all the way around. That is standard formatting for MLA, and it is super important that you take note of that. The next thing I want to talk about are headings, page numbers, and titles. The big thing here is that when you do your page numbers, you need to label it with your last name and page number in the upper right-hand corner. This will appear on every single page of an MLA document. MLA documents do not use title pages. They just start right away on the first page. So your last name and page number goes in the upper right-hand corner of every single page. If you also look over here is what we call the header. This is what you begin every single paper with. It starts with your name, your teacher's name, the class that the assignment is for, and the date that the assignment is due. Sometimes there will be a fifth line under here that will be which assignment it is. That is usually up to the discretion of the teacher of the course. I don't require it. This looks fine to me. The next thing I want to point out is the title. If you look, the title is centered. It comes exactly one line under the header and one line above the body text. And if you look at every single word on this page that is in the actual body of the paper, it is all written in 12-point font. If you notice, the title isn't any bigger, it's not underlined, it's not italicized, it's not a different font face. It is all identical. That is crucial for MLA formatting. And a couple other words that I just want to introduce you to before I let you go is the words publication and documentation and citation. So publication is any time that you put your paper out into the public for other people to read. A citation is a quote or a reference to an outside work as well as the source where that information comes from, and you will see things throughout the paper about that. And documentation is the use of citations. We'll get more into that in later videos, but that is all of the basic information for MLA formatting, and I hope you found this information